Every night as she prayed, in December, she'll not forget. Always hear her sing the paper, every word she read. Said I was up on a hill, I was out there alone when the shots all rang out and the bombs were exploding. That's when I saw him. He came back for me, and though he was captured, that man set me free. That man was your son. He asked me to write to you. I told him I would have lost more. It was the last of the letters from war. Started writing your good and your bad. With a father that knew me someday. And did it all the same. She wrote every night and she prayed. And then 2 years later,